Are you serious? You're fucking doing hilarious.
This is how I play.
Oh my god, are you serious? Let's do it!
There's nothing wrong
And
with
then
it.
I gotta use the computer and I'm gonna drag the fucking whole drawer out to find my keyboard.
Maybe you guys just have really fat hands. Like,
Well, you are a coder, so.
this.
Can you believe this?
It works fine.
If you had told me, I would have thought you were like.
Have you got a video?
Just-
of this?
Why would
Yeah.
why would I do this?
Do it,
It's
type. No.
What?
Go back in and
Put it back in there.
take us to a page like, I don't know, Dotabuff or something.
There we go. This Necro. Hard.
It's not hard.
It's easy. It is easy. What? If I want to cut skills, I push this. If I want to do anything else, I push these. See? Look. Gareth's really confused.
Secret typing.
It's not a secret. I know where the buttons are. Hey, Trevor.
Holy